A snack manufacturer from St. Petersburg needed to automate the splitting of finished packages into 2 lines using a diverting conveyor. Seems like a simple task, but in practice, standard conveyors often malfunction or behave unpredictably. Our conveyor integrates into an existing line from a third-party manufacturer and ensures a stable, consistent pace. The distribution logic is fully flexible. Right now at the Notis assembly facility, we are testing a batch mode, 4 packages per stream.
The client is 4,000 kilometers away from us, but chose Notis because they had already purchased our machines and trust their reliability. If you have an automation challenge, reach out to us at www.notis.ru. Our engineers will find a solution.